The SiriusXM interface is only available for dealers who are authorized to participate in the SiriusXM Pre-Owned Program and have enabled SiriusXM Integration. This program is designed to add value to your vehicles by giving free 90-day SiriusXM trials to all of your customers. Please note that only model year 2005 and newer vehicles with satellite radios installed from the factory are eligible for this program. SiriusXM demos can be activated both from within WebManager as well as from within our AutoManager mobile application. Prior to activating SiriusXM, make sure the vehicle is outside and free of any overhead obstructions. Tune the radio to Channel 1, or Channel 184 for legacy Sirius radios. In WebManager, to access the SiriusXM interface, navigate to your inventory list. Then change the view to SiriusXM Interface. From here you'll see the date the vehicle's VIN was sent to Sirius and the radio's electronic serial number, known as the ESN. If there is no radio ESN, you can click the Get ESN button. Be aware that the vehicle's VIN must be reported to SiriusXM before you can activate the SiriusXM demo. Please allow up to 24 hours after submitting your inventory to SiriusXM before attempting to activate your satellite radios. To activate the demo, click the Activate Demo button on each vehicle. In the AutoManager mobile app, use your WebManager or DeskManager online credentials to log in, then navigate to your inventory list. To activate the demo, click the Activate SiriusXM button on each vehicle. If you don't see Activate SiriusXM for a vehicle, you will likely need to log into WebManager and get the ESN for that vehicle. Please note that there is a limit of 3 radio activation attempts per vehicle in a 24-hour period. Should you need to request any additional attempts, please contact SiriusXM dealer support at 800-852-9696. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions or issues, please reach out to our technical support team.